Hello guys, Francis here. I'm going to show you in this video how to make, let's say, 100 per day with Clickfunnels affiliate program. So I'm going to log in my Clickfunnels affiliate account. So you can see that I have been able to generate a certain amount of money using this program. So I'm blurring my detail because we don't know what will happen. So I'm logging in my affiliate account. See. Okay, here is the dashboard. As we can see here, I have generated as far as today $2,740 online with this particular affiliate program with Clickfunnels. So there is some day I'm making over 100 per day, and there are some days that, like this one, there was a refund here, okay, and the day before that I made $38, and yesterday I made $38.80. So the strategy is very simple. I'm using ClickFunnels, give you opportunity to join the affiliate program. Is free to join, and they give you a program, they give you a system to follow, and if you follow that system carefully, I will leave the link below. If you follow that system carefully, I think you could duplicate my results. So I'm promoting clickbait product through a simple website. I used to rank it on the top of Google results. So every time someone is searching my keywords, the keyword I'm targeting, every time someone is seeking for that keyword, my site comes on the top of result. And if they click, they visit my site and they click on my affiliate link and buy something, even when they give some details, ClickFunnels is asking for, I get paid for that. So uh, let's say it's very profitable for you. It's totally passive income you could set up for yourself and profit for the day that will come. So uh, if you like if you like this video, I know English is not my first language, but if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will give you next time step by step how to build that kind of site, how to do keyword research, how to rank that site in top of Google, and how to profit from that. And let's say for my first site, I sold it on Flipper for 4,500 $4,500. So I made a site, and let's say 6 months later, I got my money back, the money I invested in the site, and I made huge profit, and I decided to sell the site to someone else. So it gives me that opportunity to have fund, to raise fund, and duplicate the same system and grow my business. And that's what I'm doing right now. Growing business with the money I get after sold the first site for 4,500. So if, as I say, if you like this video and if you want to know more how I'm set up my site, and how I do my keyword research, how I rank research on top of Google research, please like this video, comment, let me know what you think, subscribe to my channel, and I see you on the top.